Hey guys, welcome to my video Ceiven Academy. Today I want to teach you how you can actually open an account with geegpay. Geegpay is very important, but especially in Nigeria now, as we are facing so many problems. As you all know, you can no longer use your ATM, your Nigerian ATM card to pay for anything, to buy anything foreign, to buy in dollar or euro or any other amount. Like me personally, what makes me to go into this research is because of the fact that I opened my website and my website is about to expire, and I wanted to renew it using my GTB bank account as usual. But I was told that I can no longer use it. So I have to look for payment ways online I can use. I try Payoneer, so I can, unless I have a minimum of $100, I can create an account with them. But with GPay, you can actually create your card and use your card to pay, fund your whatever you want to fund or whatever you want to pay. What I mean is that when I open my pen, I said I cannot actually create a card unless I have a minimum of $100. Okay, I actually have account with Payoneer, but because I don't have to minimum of $100, I can't create a card. I need a card for me to go and pay my West. I know most of us are in the same problem. Most of us, especially those of us who are freelancers. So how can GPay help you? Today I want to teach you how you can create accounts with GPay. Okay, you can call it geegpay. You can call it GPay. So all you do is go to Google, type on geegpay, GEEGPAY, or simply go to www.geepay.africa. Okay. Once you are here and you are welcome here, take your mouse to create an account. Let it open. It's still opening. Once you open, you take your mouse to create an account and you click on it. So why I like GPay is because it's very easy to use and they also show you their rate. Very simple, very easy. So click on create an account. Let's go ahead. Create an account. When you click on create an account, it opens here. Here, talk about your legal name. If you have any legal name, then just your name, your first name, your surname, and all that. You can put it there. Okay? Like me, my name is Emmanuel. Choose version. And please make sure that all information you are putting here, so that we know is what you use on any of the ID. Because remember, they will do verification, maybe using your ID card, your international passport. You know, so make sure that what you are using there is correct. And here you put your email address that you want to use in creating this account. Okay, so for me, I'm using Ceiven20 at gmail.com. This all my stuff, most of them is Ceiven. Okay, Ceiven20 at gmail.com. Then you go to put your password, confirm your password. Then the further code, somebody is referring you, but now let's put our password. I have to pause the list because of my password, so I can. Once you create your password, if you have any referral code, you can put your referral code. Kindly use my referral code, is down below. Use my referral code, you have some bonuses for using my referral code. Okay, so just click down below and use my referral code to create this account. Once you are done with that, click and continue. Okay. Now it now opens for you to verify. They are very fast. Check your email for verification. See, they'll send a message to you on your email and verify it quick. Okay, let me go to my email now and see if there's any message there for verification. Verification is yes to come. Verification is yes to come. So once you put your email, the pin that was sent to you, to your email address, the code, and you press enter, you now open your account. You see how simple it is to open an account? Very, very easy. It doesn't really take anything long. And this, make sure that once you are here, your account has been opened. The next thing you want to do is how you can verify your account. How you can pay in, how you can make sure everything is okay so I can start receiving money from the account. So far, so good. If you have been here with me, congratulations. Okay. So let's continue to forge ahead. So the next thing to go is for you to now start process of verification. For that to happen, come over to settings, look at my settings, and click on settings. Okay. Click on settings. So in settings, contractor who are tagged as individual entity, you choose the one that it is, and then continue from there. Then we'll now put all this. Make sure that you fill all this on your profile. Fill all this your profile details. Make sure everything is filled correctly before we continue again. Okay. Make sure that you get everything filled correctly. Okay. Yeah. So let's continue filling the form. Your name is correct already. Nationality, Nigeria. Put your Nigeria, make sure everything is correct, okay? Just fill yours as I fill it. My just Ceiven, Imac, I don't know tag is Imac, Nigeria, touch ID, signature. On that signature, you can still repeat your name or put anything you want, okay? Ceiven. Then your passport number, you put as international passport, you put it there. The time zone, nationality, your phone number, your occupation. Just fill it there. Let me watch me as I fill mine so you can also see how you can fill your nationality is Nigeria, so you put in your Nigerian occupation, freelancer, freelancer, freelancer. Which one is freelancing? Phone number, you put your phone number here. Make sure that everything is completely fit. Don't leave any link behind. Put in your date of birth as well. Just get everything well filled, okay? Make sure that you fill everything the way it should be, okay? Once you are done with your profile, then the next thing to continue to your beneficiary. For profile, there's always proof of address. What I always do is I use buypower.ng. Use buypower.ng, you use your meter, you put your home address and buy a little power, maybe 800 or 1000 naira power. Then they'll be able to give you a proof of your home address. Then I use it to give them under this, okay? And once you are doing that, you now click on save. Make sure every information is clean and clear before you click on save. Once you click on save, you continue to the next stage. Okay. So right now we are moving on to the next stage, beneficiary. That's it with maybe you want account that you want to add for beneficiary where you can link your account and all that. That's when you come over here. It's great if you want to change your password to another password, or you have to confirm password and all that, or you want to do two-way verification. That's when you come over here for your two-way verification. It's very good. You can also do that on your own. Then the next page we want to work on is identification. Here required for them to identify your email, verify your email, verify every necessary thing. That's what's required there. So first of all, you click. If you have not verified your email before now, you have to start the verification of an email first before you go to others. Okay. So let's continue with our email verification. Step by stage, you do this. Okay. So open what must I do it or do it yourself and see that you get the same result. Okay. Let's start with email verification. Come over here. Start with email. Click on email verification first. I'm supposed to verify before now, but they didn't send me the link. So let me see if they send it now. If they send it now, I will now use to verify. Okay. I just hope that by now I must have gotten the email verification code. Let me check my mail. Up till now, I've not been sent. So I have to wait for my own to be sent. Once my own is sent, I'll verify it. But I believe yours will not waste time like this. So in case yours have been sent, simply put the email verification here. If you've done it before now, then there's no need for you to verify it again. So all you need to do is come over to this place, verify your ID card, verify your compliance document, and once you are through, you click on save as well, and your account is good to go. Okay. So this is how you can do this. In my next video, I will teach you how you can now link it up to a paper or Payoneer, and also how you can receive payment and get paid. You can also take the dollar rate. You know, one thing I love about this is that they will show you their rate. For example, come over, see what they are doing, their currency rate. They do at 721 per dollar to naira. For why if you are selling, you collect 745 naira. So you see that their rate is almost like black market. So you can also do arbitrage and do business with this. Okay. If you have account, somebody can pay into this and then you pay. You can also create your card. For example, if you come over to card, then you can also create cards. You create a new card, fund the card I used to pay for other things. So don't worry, subsequently I will teach you all these one after the other. So see you in my next class. Once again, thank you so much for listening to Ceiven. See you in our next class. If I'm making sense, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Let the channel grow to know about this so that they too can learn more about this. Thank you so much.